Hello friends, Namaste. Now, in this particular slide, we will discuss in deep about the components of a tourism product. In the constituent, I use the word components or part, but here we will be discussing according to the tourism scholars. There are 5 A's which acts as the main part of a tourism product. So the 5 A's are attraction, accommodation, accessibility, activities, and amenities. Again, for easy understanding, the primary A's are attraction, accommodation, accessibility, and activities. So imagine a circle where the center A is the core product, that is the attraction. The second set of the circle is accommodation, accessibility, and activities. So these comes under the primary A's. With this, the tourism product is mostly completed. And the secondary A, amenities, is dependent on the tourist demand in that particular place, what kind of demand they require, whether they require banking services, whether they require porter services, whether they require any kind of entertainment services. So that would be the secondary A, which completes the whole tourism product. So these are the 5 A's of tourism product, and which is very important for any destination to have in their core product, so that the tourist returns happy from the place and have a good image about the place. We will discuss in deep about what do you mean by attraction, how attractions are also categorized into various categories. Attraction is the word for a destination. In easy way, it's a thing which attracts a tourist to go and visit a place. Through word of mouth or through some media or through some general perception about an image, the tourists have some demand, have some purpose behind visiting a place. So, when we talk about classifying the attraction, the destination, it is majorly been classified into 4 categories. The first one is the natural attraction, that is based on the natural asset the place has, that is near to a water body, beaches, waterfalls, lake, or with a good climate, cold climate, snowfall, snow-clad mountains, or having good rainfall as well, or forest areas. So these becomes the natural attraction. So that is the first category of an attraction. Second is man-made or human-made attraction. So man-made attractions are theme park, the museums, monuments, forts. There are well-known Disney parks around the world. In USA, the Hollywood city. So these are the places which are being developed by man through their creativity. Cultural attractions. Cultural attractions are places having known for their culture, known for their heritage. So the type of fairs, festival they celebrate, or the type of dance, or say in the rural or in the semi-urban, a typical culture they have based on their food, their lifestyle. So that also attracts a tourist. So when we talk about in India, UP is known for its own culture. Rajasthan is known for its own desert culture. So these are places which attracts people to know the culture, the history. And then in European places, Rome, Italy, all these are well known for their own history and culture. Social attractions are being known for the destinations where a tourist goes to meet their friends and relatives. So it could be a local destination, it could be international places. So their main purpose of visiting to that attraction is VFR, that is visiting friends and relatives. VFR is an acronym used for this, the purpose of tourist travel, the motivation of tourist travel. So the full form of VFR is visiting friends and relatives. The next component of tourism product is accommodation. So as it was earlier said, tourism is an activity where a tourist goes to a place for more than 24 hours. When he goes and stay in a place for more than 24 hours, he or she requires a stay arrangement. So the stay arrangement, if he is going for the purpose of VFR, visiting friends and relatives, they use their friends or relatives' house to stay. But if they are going for leisure, education, business, or pilgrimage, or any other activities where they don't have any relatives to stay, they require some stay arrangements to be done by the intermediaries, or they do it on their own. Intermediaries, as I have explained earlier, the travel agencies or the tour operators. So when they require the stay arrangement, they look in for based on their budget. So it could be a 5-star hotel property, 4-star hotel, 3-star hotel, 2-star, 1-star, or just a lodge. So, or a budget hotel. There are now very eco-friendly conscious tourists who looks in for eco lodges, eco hotels. Then if a tourist is traveling on through roadways, so they need motels. Motels are hotels which are located on the highways. Or if a tourist is going to a water body area, they may use boat houses, may use cruise ships for stay activities. So this is in a gist the various kinds of accommodations facilities available for tourists at a destination. The activities. As I said, when a person plans for a trip to any destination, they already have many things in their mind, like what are the activities they will get involved. So it is all dependent on their purpose of travel. So if a person is going for a pilgrimage activity, definitely he will get involved into visiting of temples, worshipping, and then some spiritual activity or some philanthropic activities, or some again kind of holy activities. So this is all dependent on the purpose of travel. The activity is dependent on the purpose of travel. A group of college students going for adventure activity will definitely get involved into adventurous activities, like if they are visiting to an attraction of a hilly area, so they will go for trekking, mountain climbing, or bungee jumping if it is available. So these are the things which are involved into activities. So here it is mentioned water sports activities, or if it is a person going for say nature based purpose of traveling to a forest area, they will definitely get involved into nature trails, safari, or just enjoy the local culture of those natural forest areas. The next is fourth form of tourism product is accessibility. So the fourth component of tourism product, accessibility, is how a person can reach to a place. So the mode of travel. There could be various modes: airways, roadways, seaways. So a tourist requires a good transport infrastructure to reach to a destination. The tourist looks for comfort and hassle-free travel. Say for example, a person wants to go to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, if there is not much frequent travel arrangements through flight or through seaways, they may not, or it is not in their budget, they may not prefer it. So these are the things which has to be considered when a tourism product is being developed. The last, fifth A of the component of tourism product is amenity. So as I said, it is the secondary element of the whole sphere of tourism product, which gives the satisfaction, provides a satisfaction level to a tourist when he visits a place. So any form of comfort services which is provided to a tourist apart from the primary services which are required is termed as amenities. So good drinking water facility, good communication network, good parking areas. Here in this picture you can see a tourist can travel his can park his bicycle in the bicycle park area. So these are the various amenities which should be available for the tourist to make him feel satisfied in the particular destination. Now we will discuss about the typologies of tourism product. Typologies is the basic classification of tourism product. Again, I would reiterate, what does a tourism product mean? In the actual definition of a tourism product, it is said that it is the sum of physical and psychological satisfaction which provides to tourists, which is provided to tourists during their traveling route to the destination. So it's all sum of the 5 A's which are provided to the tourist, and all these things becomes the pull factor. The pull factor, that is a motivation factor for the tourist to travel to that particular place. This has already been explained in the attraction category, but still we need to get in deep understanding of the various classification of tourism product based on the attraction. So one is the natural tourism product, which is available naturally. The other one is the man-made tourism product, made by man, the various amusement park, museums. Next is site-based tourism product. So site-based tourism product is a particular site which became popular because of, say, a personality living at a place. So for example, when we talk about in Karnataka, Coorg is famous for Sir Vishveshwarya's place where he resided. And then there are such type of, in Gujarat, because of Mahatma Gandhi. So this way various places are associated by popular personalities. So site-based tourism product are also one of the form of tourism product. Event-based is like which has become most popular in the tourism product category, where people try to visit places just only on those particular events. Event industry is also booming a lot. So when we talk about in India, Kumbh Mela, where people, those who are with the religious beliefs, definitely would like to visit the 4 known places of India for Kumbh Mela activities or any kind of fest which are being organized in a particular state. So let me talk about in Bangalore itself, there is Flower Festival which is being conducted on 2 national events, that is Republic Day and Independence Day. We have discussed in detail about the components of a tourism product, that is the 5 A's. One is the attraction in itself. In attraction we have discussed the various forms of attraction. So that is the nature-based attraction, man-made attraction, the cultural attraction and the social attraction. We have discussed about the second day, accommodation. So various forms of accommodation we will be discussing in the next coming sessions. Third is the accessibility, that is the transportation. That is also we will discuss in detail in the next sessions. The fourth is the activities. Activities are all things which are related with the purpose of travel of a tourist to a destination, and amenities. Hope you would have liked the session. Thank you.